Good morning class 2. Welcome back to maths class. Today in this class we are going to start with a new chapter, and this is going to be the last chapter of your book. So we are going to start with chapter number 11, that is geometrical shapes. Now in this world, like in your surrounding, whatever object you see, this object has got some shape. I'm talking about the solid objects. Okay, so they have some shape. Even yeah, say for example you are sitting on a chair. Okay, and this chair is also having some shape. You can see the surface on which you are sitting. You can see it can be a circle shape, it can be a rectangle shape, can be of square shape. So like in our surrounding, whatever objects we get to see, things we get to see, they have a certain shape. Now what is this shape, and from where, what is the concept of the shape, geometrical shape? The Any shape basically start, like whenever we draw any figure, whenever we draw any shape, we have to start with a point. Okay, so the starting of any shape, or the initiation, or if we have to draw any geometrical figure, we have to start with a point. All right, so what is point exactly? Point, with the word you have understood, point means a dot. When we draw a dot, when we just see, this is, I have just put a dot on the board. So this dot is actually the point, and this is the only the start of any geometrical shape. Alright, so even in your book also you will find point. You can see there's a girl who is drawing point, who is not drawing actually point. We can just put, when we put a dot on plain paper, then that is called a point. So this point, when you see, it is very small and it has no dimension. Meaning means like when you draw a point, this point is not having any kind of, say, it does not have any length, it does not have any breadth, it does not have any height, nothing, that sort of. Okay, so point is just a dot. So like when you draw a dot on a plain paper or in your book or copy, that is called a point. Then we move to the next geometrical shape, that is line. Now what is line? Now when we talk about line is basically, again as I told you, that any geometrical figure starts with a point. Now when we draw a line, here also we take the help of point, but here the number of points are innumerous. Many are there, numbers of dots are there or points are there. When we, like, these are the dots, and if there are many dots and if I join these dots, then I will find that I am getting a line. Okay, and now what is the property of line? Why have I drawn these arrows? Line means actually it is a straight path which keeps on extending in both the direction. So this means this point will keep on extending towards the right side, and here this point will keep on extending towards the left side. So a line has no start point and no end point. Like for example, if you have seen the railway tracks, they don't have any start point. Of course they have a start point and an end point, they do have, but then if you are sitting in the train, and you are just observing the railway tracks, then you will find that they are going on extending. Why? They will stop at one point in their junction or their terminus, they are going to stop, but then they keep on extending in both. Yeah, so line is such a geometrical figure which keeps on extending in both the directions. Now suppose you take a scale and just place that scale on your copy, on a paper, like on a sheet of paper, and with a pencil you just draw. Okay, and when you remove your scale, you will find that the figure which has been drawn, it's a line actually. So line is what? Line is again a geometrical shape or figure which is a straight path, and it keeps on extending in the both the direction. It has no start point and no end point. Then we have line, straight line. Now straight line, how can we understand? Just see, this is a string. Okay, actually this is a headphone which is having a wire. Now this wire, if you hold it like this, say this part, like I'm just holding this wire in this manner, like I'm just tightening it from both the ends, and the portion which you get to see, the tightened portion, is showing the shape of line. Okay, straight line. So from my left hand, this end point, and to the right hand, this end point is showing the straight line. So over here also, like if I try to draw a straight line, so it will be right like this, straight, absolutely straight. Okay, so this is also a straight line. Now what is curved line? Now the same thing, I have just this string, I have loosened it. Now the shape which you can get to see is not a straight, it is having some portions having curved shape, like in this manner. Okay, look at here. So this is not a straight line, this is a curved line. Fine. So here we have understood the four geometrical concept, that is point, line, straight line, and a curved line. Now in straight line, when we get to see straight line, actually straight line is a part of line. So over here I have hold this line in a tightened way, like no, strongly I hold, and it's forming a straight line. Alright, so these are the four concepts which we have like tried to understand, we have learned in this class. And what you're going to do is, you will be writing this, like you will draw point, line, straight line, and curved line. Now with the help of say for example, with the help of line or straight line, okay, you will draw at least two figures. Like with the help of line, you will draw any two you can say any two geometrical shape, or any two picture you can draw, you can say that picture. Okay, and with the help of curved lines also, you try to draw any two picture. That is going to be your homework. So you will do this as homework, and in the next class we will again be back with new concepts. So finally the revision part is that we have learned in this class about point, line, straight line, and curved line. Now I will give you the definition of all these geometrical concept. In the description box you will get the the definition of this, and from there you will see, and from the board, like what I have drawn, you will draw these geometrical shapes in your copy, and you will also write the definition. Okay, so that's all in this video, and in the next video I will be back with next topic. So thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.